Hey guys, so today I have got a little box of goodies to show you from a small business called Simply Gothic. Now I am going to be honest and confess, I opened this box last week and filmed this video, and then I deleted the video by accident, filmed on my camera again and overwrit the files that I could have maybe saved, so I'm having to refilm it. I rescued this box out of the bin because I'd already thrown all the packaging away. Everything was wrapped so cute. It was in like little pouches with ghost tape on it. There was little back confettis, there was organza pouches. It was so cute, and I've pretty much thrown all of that away now. So I'm really sorry to her for throwing that away and not doing the video how it should have been done. But trust me, it was very cute, and we are gonna open it again and show you what is in here again. And I will put all of her information down below in case you want to go check her out as well. So Simply Gothic is a company that started in around 2017. She used to do a lot of just jewellery and chokers and stuff, but now she's moved on to like pins and keyrings and cups and art prints and stationery and loads of other things. She has more stationery coming out too, as far as I'm aware. So like I said, I will put all of her socials down below as well in case you want to like keep updated on that. But I've got a little bit of everything in here, so we are going to open it and see what is in here. So the first thing right on the top is this very cute little card. I'm going to assume it's supposed to be an art print, but I'm not 100% sure if it's actually just like an information card. But it's so cute that I would definitely use this as a little print. I love how simple it is. I love that it's monochrome. I don't love art prints, but this is like the perfect art print to me. I absolutely love it. There is a discount code on here as well. I'm pretty sure she gave me my own discount code for you guys, but as I threw all of the little bits away that she sent, I don't have it anymore. So if she did, I will put it here on the screen now. If not, I will put this one for 10% here on the screen now anyway. But that is a little cute ghosty print. Then next we have one of the pins. And this is a little plague doctor. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I've got a little plague doctor tattoo, so absolutely love this. Kind of just like a little clear acrylic button style, and it's got a push pin on the back. It's very cute. I'll put all of the prices on the screen somewhere at the bottom here for each item as well, by the way. Next we have a little keyring. So this one says Cozy Time and True Crime. It's got little leaves on that side, and then on this side it has a knife with blood and leaves. Love that. I love true crime and documentaries and stuff, so that is a very me keyring. Then next we have the jewellery. So I've got 3 little necklaces here. I did keep them in the little pouches, and I'm pretty sure this one has some of the little back confetti in it as well, so I'll show you that. But I'm going to do this one first. So again, this is a little plague doctor. I'm going to assume she probably knew that I liked plague doctors. It's like a little acrylic mask, and there's these little sparkly beads on either side here. It's got an extendable chain on it. It's very cute. So that is the first one. Then next we have this one. I absolutely love this one. I've got one very similar, but it's a lot smaller. It's just a little simple black bat, but he's very spiky and sort of gothic style, I would say. Again, it's got the little beads, but this one's got a black and a purple on each side with the chain. Absolutely love it. I think this one would be really nice as a choker. So there is that one. And then the last one is my favourite, I think. I'll show you the little confetti. So that's what the little bats look like. And this one is an all metal one. So it's a crescent moon. Again, has the little bead here at the front. But this one doesn't have a clasp like the other two. This one has one of these like I don't know what they're called. I want to say like a T-bone thing, but I don't know what it's called, but one of these little clasps that it does up at the front. Absolutely love it. I think it's gonna hang at like a really nice length down here. Definitely my favorite one. I love all of them, but I think this one is my favorite. It just looks really expensive, I think. So there is that one. And then the last three items are the stationery kind of items. So the first one is this really cute little shopping list. So it's got cobwebs all around the outside. There is loads of sheets. It's got little tick boxes. You could definitely use this for other stuff, not just shopping lists. You could do like to-do lists on it or notes, anything you wanted, but it does say shopping list at the top. Really, really cute. You could also put a little sticky magnet on here and like stick it on your fridge and stuff. So there is that. Then next we have these. So these are little ghosty stickers. We've got one sheet that says birthday ghosts and they're holding little presents. And then we've got another sheet which says holiday ghosts. So we have love heart ones, Easter ones, pumpkin ones and little Santa ones, and then the middle ones are plain. And then these are actually for the main item, which is the Goth planner. So these are to stick inside here, and this is what it looks like. It's absolutely amazing quality. Like, you would 100% just buy this in a shop. This isn't handmade looking at all. It says the Goth planner, planning spooky style on the front. It's got all these really cute little icons all over it. Pumpkins, cobwebs, skulls, bats, all that kind of thing. And it's like a really soft feeling kind of velvety texture. When you first open it up, it says this planner belongs to, and then you can write your name. And then it's got some reminders and notes. And from then on, it has monthly sections. So at the start of every month, you have like an overview of the month. And then you go on to the weekly ones. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Notes, goals and to-do list. You've got a few weeks of those, normal weeks. And then you get to the next month. So I guess there is a good few pages in between, just because some months will have more weeks than other months, I guess. So this would be your next full month, and it goes like that all the way through for every month of the year. Each month has a different little icon. So we've got skulls, bats, pumpkins, moths again, cobwebs, teeth, anything you can think of. And then right at the end we have my goals and a birthday list for each month, which is super helpful, and then some little notes as well. So that is the Goth planner. I absolutely love it. I used to plan for years, and I would make them really cool, full of stickers, like write down everything that I was doing that day, and I did that for quite a few years. I've not done it recently, but it is kind of making me want to start doing it again, so I might do, I'm not too sure. But I absolutely love this. It's amazing quality. All of the stuff she sent is so cute. I love these little ghosts that go in it and everything. So yeah, you'll have to let me know what you thought of everything down below anyway. I will put all of the information in the description for her in case you want to go and check it out, see what else she does, all of that kind of thing. I apologise again that I opened everything and filmed a video and then deleted it by accident. I am stupid, and I will try my best never to do that again, because trust me, I actually nearly cried. But yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.